Hello guys, this is AlexTheGrumpyOne and this is my new video on the barn progress and my new project car that I bought for my YouTube page and Facebook page. So as you can see, the door's been painted now, looks a lot better now, and I'm going to show you the new car that I got. Right, there we are. Toyota Celica 190 VVTLI 2000. It's 1.8. It's probably most of you know already. The bodywork is quite bad. I mean, pretty much all the panels got scratches on them, as you can see. But the engine is spot on. Mechanically, it's doing quite well. But it has got a few problems I need to sort out. I'm going to be showing you, to start with, how to replace the starter motor, how to fix the oil leak, the rocker cover gasket and the tensioner oil leak. I'm going to be also showing you quite a lot of other videos on how to fix stuff. As you can see, there's a dent there. I already bought a new panel that I'm going to put on it. So yeah, it's just, I guess, cheap car to work on, so I can make some videos for you. And like I said, I'm going to post it on my Toyota Celica UK page as well. I just wanted to show you a quick video on this, see what it's all about. It's all completely standard apart from doubled in unit that you got there. It obviously starts and runs. There we go. Let me start up for you. There we go. I've already done the head gasket check on it. It passed, so there's no issues there. I'm also going to be showing you the product that I used to polish the headlights. As you can see, they're quite yellow, and the other one as well. So I'm going to show you the stuff I'm going to buy on eBay to polish them. Also, like I always do, this is the car number 27 that I've bought, and I always love getting stuff that comes with the car. There's another issue here, guys, which is quite common on them, the rear strut shocks for the rear boot. They're obviously gone. As you can see, it's not even holding it up anymore. So it comes with an amazing tool. Look at that. A bit of cardboard to hold the boot open. Perfect. So anyway, I already ordered the shocks, as you can see, on eBay. I'm going to be fitting them. I'm going to show a video on that. And like I said, here's some freebies. Look at that. I got actually a Toyota pack there, because the man that bought this off, it works for Toyota. So I'll show you what we got in here. All the cleaning stuff, all from Toyota, well, most of it anyway. Shampoo, wheel cleaner, some more car polish. It's quite a nice pack there. That's going to be handy. I'm sure I'm going to be using that. And there's one more. This one, and that is actually Lexus winter check. As you all know, Lexus is Toyota. They're pretty much both the same. Lexus is just quite posh Toyota, I guess. So there we go. See what that comes with. And that is Look at that. Lovely. Very nice. I'm sure that will be handy when it comes to burying someone. There's blanket, vest, and windscreen cleaner. Oh, that is quite good. I'm happy with that. Right guys, now that's enough of that. I'm just going to show you the rest of the car. And like I said, I already installed all my lights in the barn. So everything's installed. All the electrics are working now. I brought some tools. The worktop's starting to look slightly better. I bought some floor protector there. I'm going to try that. So yeah, it's all coming together. There you go. Like I said, just normal standard interior. The interior actually looks quite nice and tidy. It's obviously a shame about the outside. Oh, there we go. I want it basically for mechanics, so bodywork doesn't really matter. So yeah guys, I'll be doing the video soon, and stay tuned, subscribe, like my videos, and comment below if you got the same car. Please do let me know if you need any help, if you want me to make some video especially for you to show you how to do things on it. I'm more than happy to do that. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching another video. I hope you have a nice day. Bye, catch you later.